So we had a pretty good morning with 5-0 and with everybody really. We had Kinsey and Abby and Justin and Quentin helping us this morning, and we had to go and get a couple of the neighbors' bovines off of our property. Went down the road to catch a couple of bulls and that first bull just walked right in the stack yard, so we staged him there where we could pick him up in a few minutes, and then we went down and we roped the red bull because he kept wanting to hide in the willows. And so Justin flushed him out of there with his dog. And then me and 5-0 just rolled up in there and roped him. I had him figure eight at first and had one foot caught, but with that big old neck of his, I couldn't keep my loop on his neck. So it just slipped down to 1 foot. And then I believe it was either Kinsey or Quentin caught another foot, and we drug him on the trailer, and it was just great. I mean, that horse, I love that son of a gun so far. I mean, he really is doing good. 5-0 just was born to do this kind of work. He loves running that stuff down, and he loves feeling that weight, and he loves pulling, and I just got to get him a little bit better broke. He's got a few things, that he needs improvement on, but overall, it was just a great morning. See what happens here. There he is. What do you think, 5-0? You want to choke that booger? You want to catch a bull? I just hope my poor little Honda holds up through this deal.
That might be your weakest link right there.
It's about had enough. Let's move over here, Jack. Give him a hold from out.
Another rope on him?
Yeah, definitely.
Maybe 3.
Oh, get the hell up, dude. Oh.
Nice!
Yes, ma'am, baby.
I'm going to try to get short, though. You got him, Abby?
Yeah.
Walk up, Junior. Jack, you be careful right there.
Yes, sir.
Hey. We got to get you untangled.
Yeah. Here.
You're gonna have to come under me.
Yeah.
Or your rope is.
Quentin, come here. I got you.
Here we go. All right. Oh. Come here, Junior.
Hey. Hey.
Yeah, we get another front foot. Back or forward?
Back. Either way, really.
Sideways?
Maybe.
Can you go sideways?
Yeah.
There you go. Yep. Nice.
Teamwork.
Way to go, buddy.
Woo. I'm not tight.
Well, get tight.
This could be fun.
Everybody get tight. Do what you got to do. When we start him going.
Well, if he's standing there, you want me to
Yeah,
yeah.
are you tight? You take my rope.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
I am new to this.
I was going to say, I can either tighten you or...
I'm as tight as it don't matter on this horse. My saddle's perks of not having a tight saddle. Come on, Jack, just jump on him. They're not really.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Hold the camera.
Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, bull. Hey, bull. Bull.
There you go.
All right, we're just going to take him one step at a time. If I'm tight, you're loose, okay? It's my foot. Whatever foot's in the back gets pulled, okay? There we go.
You gotta move your back in.
I'm going to give him just a little.
Yep. That had an effect.
Yeah,
That was just a...
There you go, that down.
I won't give him any yet.
Just touch him with it this time. Yep. Nope.
Ready?
Yep.
Hold on.
Keep the horn. Push that over. All right, now walk over. Yes, sir.
Hold him down. There you go.
Relax, Jack. Jack, the gate. Cameraman's voice. Good job, guys. Nice work.
Okay, big guy, go forward a little bit. Shut my bell.
Sorry, Jack. I thought you were going for the gate.
You're sorry.
How about this son again right here? Man.
No, it's loose end, but not loose enough to come off.
Maybe not. It's loose.
Right there.
If you turn it over, you'll be on the Honda.
I got it hooked right there.
Go up and to your left. 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 There. Down. Hold.
You got it.
Good
pitcher, you'd make a good hooker.
Hey, that's not the first time I've heard that.
Pocket hot shot. Well worth the investment.
Yes. I believe I'll be doing that myself.
Yeah, there's supposed to be one in each one of the ranch trucks. So if there's not one in Bladen's, it's in the cabin shed warm room.
Okay.
There's two of them.
I think that's where it's at. We used it yesterday. And one of them from